Okay, so we're at a property in NW1 today. We're doing a CCTV and a video intercom. Is the gear we're installing. So we're going to have two cameras, both at the front of the property, one in this corner, and then going around to the front door. Going to have one overlooking the doorway, and there's our wall going all the way to the front gate. Okay, so we're going to have a door station here, and then we're going to hopefully be able to run our cable hidden diagonally up through this wall, across here, and then back to the conservatory room in the back of the house. We're going to put a CCTV electric lock here, and then we'll have a door loop running into this column and back to the door station. And hopefully it won't be too bad. We're in the utility room now. There's our consumer unit, network switches and Wi-Fi access point. What we're hoping to do is mount the MBR above here, and then we need to run a cable out of the property, out here somewhere, and then along that side wall all the way to the front. Okay, so we're at the front gate. We're just going to do a quick run through of what we've installed and a brief description how it all works. So you've got your video intercom, so you've got a camera here so you can see who's at the gate, and you've also got a call button for visitors. So when they arrive, they'll press the call button. You've got an indoor screen on the wall in the kitchen. It'll come through on there. You'll be able to see the guest and speak to them with two-way audio, and then open the gate lock with a release button on the indoor screen. You've also got this camera, we've set it up to your network video recorder with your other two CCTV cameras, so we're seeing that as a third camera on the system now. So we've got a new CCTV electric lock here, so you've got key access from the outside. On the inside, to get out, you just press this red button, and if you wanted, you can use the same key and you can deadlock that, which will disable this red button. I wouldn't have thought you needed to, but you've got the option. That's the first one of our cameras, which is overlooking the front courtyard. Got your second camera, which is overlooking the doorway, and here's your indoor station. So we go on to call, and you can see you've got an audit trail of everything that's happened. And then the next thing we've got here is live view. Okay, so on the first screen you've got outdoor station. Okay, so you can see what's going on at the front gate. And then what we've done, we've added the network, the CCTV cameras. So if you click on this button here, you can see your front door and your garden. There's your front door and there's your front garden. Okay, so all three cameras are recording to your MVR separately, but you can also access the streams from the camera on this. Okay, so we've added the MVR here. We've had to have an extra power supply for the lock. Cables are running out and across.